Alright guys, today we'll be doing a valid Sudoku and it's a medium problem and we'll be using a hatch set to count the rows and columns. Rows, that's how you make it, rows, row collection, dot default, dictionary, set, rows, call. Then we're gonna be making another hash hash set for this to check the 3 by 3. So collection dot default dictionary, and we just go through the Sudoku. So for R in range, since it's a 9 by 9, we'll just do 9. So for C in range, and now we just check if our current board, or if the current value in our board is empty. If it is, then now we just continue, and now we just check if the current value is in our uh, hash sets. If it is, then it's a duplicate. And sorry, in row or or in. And this is the formula for the 3 by 3. It's R that like that. Then we just return false if it's a duplicate. Then now we just add 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 the current value of the board. See. Board R C. Then once we go through this loop, it's gonna be true. We just return true. See like that. And yeah.